So you want to become a millionaire, but you're stuck between studying and making money. You're trying to find the right balance between studying and making money. I understand exactly how you feel. Or maybe you're taking ramen noodles and you're asking yourself, you're wondering if this college degree is truly worth it. I quite understand it, but don't worry. In today's video, I've got you guys covered. It is okay for you to think that way, but guess what? I have great news for you. Just so you know, millionaires, yes, the millionaires that you all know today, they have multiple streams of income. And let's start with that. So without further ado, let's get right into today's business. I'm going to be showing you how you can make at least $100 every single day. Sometimes you can make up to $1,000 every single day. Without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Do you know that you can become an online legal consultant? Yes, if you're a licensed attorney, you can offer online legal consulting to clients, and you can specialize in areas like contracts, intellectual property, or business law. Even if you're not a lawyer or an attorney, you can also monetize your skills. Yes, if you're an accountant, you can offer your services online, or a tax consultant, as the case may be. Or even if you're a dancer, you can offer to teach people how to dance online. Yes. And guess what? I have a neighbor who is super successful. I'm going to put a clip. I will try to look for the clip and I'll show you. She had a massive show. She had a great show here in San Francisco Bay Area in California, where she had a sold out venue. Yes. And guess what? She teaches people how to dance online, and she makes a lot of money traveling all around the world. If she can do it, trust me, you too can do it as well. So you don't have to box yourself in one particular field or area of specialty. Don't worry, I've got you guys covered. In today's video, I'm going to share with you practical ways to actually make money. Just like me, I have been broke before, and I keep saying it on this channel. I've been broke before. I don't ever want to be there again. Yes, people find it difficult to believe that I have been broke before. Yes, I have. I understand what it feels like if you cannot afford to pay for the things that you really want to. Yes. And guys, without wasting more of your time, let's get into it. Do you know that you can sell custom illustration? See, artists can create custom illustrations for clients, or even sell pre-made designs on platforms like Etsy.com or Redbubble.com. Do you also know that when you create a paid newsletter, you can make money? You can monetize your expertise by creating a paid newsletter. In fact, there are platforms like Substack.com. Yes, you heard me right. They make it easy to charge subscribers for valuable insights or even updates. Now, do you know that you can become an online personal trainer? Yes. Do you know that fitness coaches can work remotely by offering personalized training plans and virtual sessions? And you can use platforms like trainerize.com to manage your clients. Now, this is one juicy one I'm sure you will be interested in. You can become a social media influencer. Go ahead and build a following on platforms like Instagram.com, on TikTok.com, and collaborate with brands as an influencer. So go ahead and focus on a niche to grow your audience. Now, there's something else you can do. You can become a proofreader. Yes, and editor. Yes, you can do proofreading and editing. They are essential for writers and publishers. Yes, you can polish books, articles, or research papers to earn money online. Another way to start making money from today is to sell vintage items online. Yes, you can sell vintage items like clothing, like furniture, like collectibles on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and what have you. Now, do you know that you can also become a social media manager? I have a manager, I have a virtual assistant that manages my social media pages, and she gets paid at the end of every month. You can do the same thing as well from anywhere in the world at the comfort of your home, even in your pajamas. So long as you get the work done, that everything else doesn't matter. So guys, businesses need social media managers to build their online presence, offer services to create content, to schedule posts, and also analyze performance. Now, do you know that you can also sell printables on Etsy? There are printables like planners, like calendars, like coloring pages. They are popular on Etsy. create and sell digital files for customers to download. Yes, you can create an online portfolio. I mean, a professional portfolio is essential for freelancers and creatives. So use platforms like Wix.com, Behance.com to showcase your projects and attract clients. Now, here are tips that will help you become successful in your entrepreneurial journey. The first thing I would ask you to do is to develop great work ethics. Yes, develop great work ethics. When you find someone, when you meet someone with great work ethics, you already know. Yes, when I meet entrepreneurs like myself, I already, even career driven women, I know for sure. Yes, we are on the same page. You don't need to be hounded. You don't need to be told what to do. You know what to do, and you do just what you need to do, and even much more. Yes. First thing you need to do is to be self-motivated, which is developing that great work ethic. Work when you need to work. Do not oversleep. Do not take undue advantage of the time that you have. You really don't even have time. As an entrepreneur, you don't have much time. Do not forget, you bear all the risks alone. You are the one thinking, especially in the early stages of your business. You do all the thinking, you do all the analyzing, you do all the planning, you do everything from the beginning all the way till the end. You bootstrap, you spend your money starting and building, growing that business to become a successful global conglomerate. Yes. So yes, you need to develop great work ethics if you truly want to be successful in life. That's number one. Number two, you need to persevere. You need to believe in yourself. Even when things are not working the way you expect them to, believe in yourself. Sometimes you may need to tweak one or two things. You may need to change strategies. You may need to improve in your marketing. You may need to take marketing courses. You may need to get mentors. Yes, you may need to hire a coach to show you how best to go about your own business. You can also partner with, moguls in your industry. It is not a bad idea to ask. Go ahead and ask. LinkedIn is there. It's a free resource where you can connect with successful global, industry experts in your field. You can reach out to them and tell them, hey, please, I'd like you to mentor me. I need help in X, Y, and Z. And that's how I found my own mentor. Yes, I have a mentor. You can't even be a business owner and not have a mentor. I have a mentor, and I definitely, reach out to them. We meet periodically and I ask questions. Do not walk alone. It is not going to be easy, but I promise you it's going to be well worth it. The goal is to be financially free. The goal is to have financial independence. The goal is not to be at the mercy of an employer who can throw you away at any time. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can start to make money from the comfort of your home. So besties, if you are new to this channel, please by all means go ahead and introduce yourself. I would like to know you and I'd like to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I see you and I appreciate you. God bless you real good. So guys, while you're introducing yourselves, let me also go ahead and introduce myself as well. Like, I want to see you guys as part of this. I want you to see this channel as your channel. It's not just my channel. It is your channel. It is our channel. So yes, let me introduce myself as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week. It's all about help you develop your financial freedom. Yes, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. If you are yet to join this channel, consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that I get notified every single time that I drop a new video. So besties, do well to like this video and do well to share this video with your friends. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care and bye for now. Love.